Hi everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to cancel a pending payment on Cash App. This quick guide will help you understand when and how you can stop a transaction before it goes through. First, open your Cash App and tap the clock icon at the bottom of your screen. This section shows your full transaction history, including both pending and completed payments. Next, look for the payment that's still pending. Remember, only pending transactions can be canceled directly by the user. Once you find the one you want to stop, tap on it and select cancel payment. If you don't see the cancel option, that means the payment has already been completed. In that case, tap your profile icon, scroll down to support and open the chat feature. Here, you can contact Cash App support to request a cancellation. When chatting with support, make sure to include details like the date of the transaction, the amount, and the recipient's name. This helps them process your request more efficiently. And that's it. That's how you cancel a pending payment on Cash App and what to do if the transaction is already completed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.